Prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets of the animal kingdom's most intense showdowns. In today's video, we're unveiling heart-stopping encounters with some of nature's most formidable predators. From the untamed wilderness to the deep blue sea, these adrenaline-charged moments will leave you breathless. But here's the catch. One of these encounters has an incredible twist you won't see coming. Stick around until the end to find out what unfolds. Before we dive in, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell turned on. Trust us, you won't want to miss this jaw-dropping revelation. This alarming footage commences with a man capturing the moment a massive elephant approaches a group of tourists on a dirt road. The tourists remain still and composed, attempting not to startle the imposing creature as it explores their vicinity. The situation remains under control, with the tourists maintaining their composure to prevent any further tension. Regrettably, the clip concludes prematurely, leaving the outcome unknown. National parks are popular tourist destinations, but they also house some of nature's most formidable predators. At the start of the video, a large grizzly bear is seen pacing in the road. While park rangers strive to deter it, the grizzly eventually retreats into the wilderness but stays nearby, posing a threat. Despite firing warning shots in an effort to frighten it away, the rangers are forced to take drastic measures, resulting in the bear's successful relocation, with no harm done. This intense encounter unfolds as two women record their shark cage diving adventure in Mossel Bay, South Africa. A great white shark aggressively bites the cage, causing intense fear as only the bars separate the women from its jaws. Despite their terror, the cage operator continues to bait the predator with fish meat. Fortunately, ensuring the cage's protection throughout the ordeal. Filmed in Oregon, this nerve-wracking video captures a man face-to-face with a curious and cautious mountain lion. Initially, both the predator and the man remain as motionless as possible to prevent any escalation. After some time, the mountain lion begins to move as the man contemplates whether to use force.
Should I shoot you? Huh?
Fortunately, the mountain lion decides to retreat slowly, sparing both of them from harm. This unusual video begins with a man recording a saltwater crocodile, rapidly approaching him. Realizing the predator won't stop, he braces for impact. As his boat collides with the crocodile, causing him to lose balance, but preventing him from falling overboard. Recorded in Russia, this animal encounter depicts a tourist attempting to approach a young brown bear they had encountered. The tourist, underestimating the danger, turns his back, giving the bear an opportunity. Thankfully, the predator fails to reach him in time, and they quickly drive away. This unsettling video commences with a man serenely skating through a forest path when he suddenly spots a bear lurking in the distance.
Hello, Yogi. Oh. Hey, mate.
For some reason, the man begins to approach the predator slowly.
Holy.
Many minutes pass as the bear continues to advance toward the man, who attempts to backtrack to safety. The camera cuts off, and the video ends, leaving the outcome unknown. For many, cage diving is a dream come true, but for these individuals, it turned into a nightmare. The video begins with an underwater view of the sea. Inside a diving cage, a white shark suddenly appears, repeatedly attempting to breach the metal bars and attack the humans inside. Fortunately, the divers escape successfully. Rejoicing above the water's surface. A Florida man takes on an alligator without regard for his safety, resulting in a surprising outcome. The video starts with the man pointing a garbage bin at an angry alligator, causing the reptile to retreat slowly. The man asserts dominance by pushing the bin toward the alligator. And eventually releases it back into the wild, in what seems like just another day in Florida. Bears are generally not fond of humans getting too close, as exemplified in this video. Tourists spot a black bear from a distance and decide to record it. One man exits his vehicle to get a closer shot, but quickly regrets his decision. He makes a hasty retreat, and the video concludes, serving as a lesson not to attempt such actions. Have you ever considered surfing to be safe and enjoyable? Think again. This unsettling video shows a man peacefully surfing in Space Coast, Florida, when he is suddenly knocked off his board by several sharks lurking beneath him.
Yeah, there's one right there and a claw on him. Buzz off.
After a tense few seconds in the danger zone, the man manages to get back on his board. However, he encounters another group of sharks, barely making it back to shore, making surfing in that area seem far less appealing.
2, 3, and I'm gonna You've been mobbed by dog bite sharks.
That's a wrap for today's heart-pounding adventure. We hope you enjoyed these incredible wildlife encounters as much as we did. If you want to see more jaw-dropping moments with nature's most formidable creatures, make sure to like this video and share it with your fellow thrill seekers. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications for more adrenaline-packed content. Until next time, stay safe and stay wild.